So today I'm back with a new video. This time is going to be about the Ruby 2. It's basically similar to the other register, but this one doesn't have a keyboard. As you can see, it's all touch. It's the same idea, but instead of using a keyboard, we're going to have to do everything in the screen. So let's begin with the fuel. For example, if somebody needs a gas on number 3, and as you can see, but just by clicking on number 3, this screen pops up and you have the fast options 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. You can just click on any one of these. As you can see, if you click on the 30, if they want a 30 and you click on the 30, that means it's $30. That's what's going to be on pump number 3. If not, you can just press the error correction right here, error correct. It will go away. Let's say they wanted $25. You're not gonna see $25 in these options, so what do? You just click on the prepaid pump right here, and now you can enter whatever amount they want. Let's say, for example, $10.70. Then you press OK. It's $10.70. After that, you're gonna ask them how do they want to pay, whether they want to pay with credit card, debit card, or with cash. I mean, basically your register may not be designed the same way as this is, but it's going to be something similar to it. You're going to have a cash button, credit card. They may be located somewhere else, but you get the idea. So if they want a credit, you just press credit. If they change their mind and they want to pay with cash, you cancel it, and then you can just press on the cash one right here. It's going to show you this window that's asking you for how much actually money they gave you. So like if they wanted $10.70 and they gave you $11, for example, so you press, don't forget the double zero, so that's an 11, 2 zeros. You press OK. It will tell you right here to give them 30 cents back in change. Okay, so let's say you wanted to cancel the transaction on pump 3. You can basically click on it and then press stop. Now the transaction is going to be canceled, so they won't get any gas. See right here, it showed it in red. If you click on it again, it's going to put the money between two parentheses, which it means that's something you should give them back or that they didn't use. So you can just click cash, and now the transaction has been canceled. Also, another thing, you have the refund right here. You can just press refund, and then let's say it's non-tax, and just put an amount. Let's say it's $1, and see, it's gonna show the refund. It's $1, but we don't want to do that, so we just press error correction. You have the reprint right here, so if they want any previous receipts, you can just click on it and then click on the receipt they want. Let's say this one, and then you get the receipt. If they want a receipt from out of the pump that will show the gallons, you can press on the pump and then go to reprint, and then just pick the one you want. Also, another thing, if you press on a pump, you can see some other options. This one, it says watch pump. If you click on it, for example this one, so if you click on pump 5 and you press watch pump, it's going to show exactly how much they're pumping at the moment. You got move a prepay, so in case they told you a number and then they move to a different pump number, you can just click on the first pump, click on move prepay, and then put the new pump number. Okay, so that's, we went over. If they buy like some grocery and then they gave you 20 and they told you put the rest on, let's say number 3, you can just press rest in gas and then put whatever amount they gave you.